Hello everyone, this is Ms. McDevitt with a short video to conclude our work with the Big Six research model. First, let's review the skills used in the Big Six research model. Step 1 is task definition. Define the problem or the topic. Identify the information that is needed. Step 2 is information seeking strategies. Brainstorm all possible sources. Of the brainstormed list, determine the sources that are the best. Step 3 is location and access. Locate the sources. Once I have found the sources, where do I find the information that is needed? This is the question that you should be asking yourself. Step number 4 is use of information. Interact with a source. Read the source. Listen to the source. Watch or view the source, or examine the source. Determine the important information from the source. Step 5 is synthesis. This is when you need to organize information from multiple sources. Determine the best method to present the information and prepare research in that format. Step 6 is evaluation. This is when you will judge the final product. You will also judge the process, the research process that you've just conducted using the Big Six steps or skills. Next, let's briefly review the contents of the Big Six handout that accompanies this lesson. As you will note, on the left-hand side of the handout, each step is identified. There is space on the right-hand side to document information that you gather as you work through each step. There are also seven electronic resources listed on the reverse side of the handout. These resources are aligned with each step to provide additional support as you progress through the process. Still feel like you need help? Please feel free to watch the video as many times as you wish. Or feel free to ask me, the librarian, for help, or make an appointment for a time that's convenient for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I'm looking forward to working with you.